Hello dear children, hope you are doing very well. Today we will read and understand the exercises of the chapter The Little Fir Tree from Unit 2. Dear children, before we do the exercise portion of this chapter, we should understand some more difficult words from this chapter. What is shelter? शेल्टर मीन्स आश्रय लेना या शरण लेना. टू टेक अ सेफ प्लेस समवेयर. केम अलॉन्ग. केम इज द सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब कम and this word is used with another word along, that is came along. And came along means साथ आना, किसी के साथ आना. Like a goat came along. गोट किसके साथ आई? दूसरी बकरियों के साथ. एंड अ मैन केम अलॉन्ग, दैट इज एक आदमी किसी के साथ या कुछ लोगों के साथ आया एंड स्टोल द गोल्ड लीव्स. नाउ द एक्सरसाइज. रीडिंग इज फन. टेक द करेक्ट आंसर. द प्रिटी लिटिल फir tree was happy with gold leaves, but a goat came along and ate them. No. All the leaves got wet in rain. No. A man stole them. Yes. The fir tree was sad. Why it was sad? Because it had yellow leaves. No. Because it had needle-like leaves. Yes. Because it was very short. No. The fir tree was not happy with the gold leaves because the goats came and ate them up. No. A man stole them. Yes. The gold leaves broke. No. Now, word building. By changing the circled word to its opposite, rewrite these sentences. One has been done for you. Like, I carry a light bag to school every day. I carry a heavy bag to school every day. Now, you have to make the opposite of these encircled words. Like Reena won the race. Opposite of won is lost. Reena lost the race. I love eating vegetables. Love opposite hate. I hate eating vegetables. But kids, you must love eating vegetables. This glass of milk is full. Opposite of full, empty. This glass of milk is empty. The old man is wise. Opposite of wise is foolish. The old man is foolish. Now give the opposite of the words below by adding un or im. Words are happy. Now kids, you can make opposite of some words by just adding un or im. Like opposite of happy can be made by adding un, that is unhappy. Polite, you can make opposite of polite by adding im. Impolite. Seen, unseen. Proper, improper. Lucky, unlucky. Possible, impossible. Important, unimportant. Perfect, imperfect. Healthy, unhealthy. Safe, unsafe. Patient, impatient. Pure, impure. Now kids, there is a paragraph and some words are written with blue ink and you have to give the opposite of the words in blue, and the words are loved. Opposite of loved, hated. Go out, come in. Come, go. Everywhere, nowhere. Down, up. Lost, found. Nowhere, that is everywhere. Crying, laughing. Happy, unhappy. Now, the opposite of these words in the space given here. Let's write. Rewrite the passage below using capital letters where necessary. This is first passage which has to be written by you using capital letters where it is necessary. Now, and there is another paragraph or passage which has to be done by you using capital letters. Now kids, the correct paragraph using correct capital letters is now on your screen. Now, the second paragraph. Look at the picture below. In the yellow box, there are 8 things. You can see 6 of them in the picture. You cannot see the other 2. Write down the 4 things that you can see. Now kids, there are some words which you can see. Find out these words and find out other 4 things that you can see and write it down. Describe the picture. What is this picture? This picture is about a picnic. Now, write 2 or 3 lines as you think of this picture. Children, the last important exercise is which of the following actions would make others happy or unhappy? Respecting elders, not saying thank you, being polite, playing with friends, visiting a sick friend, not sharing, watching television all day, telling lies, being greedy, caring for pets, getting angry easily, being honest. Now kids, the actions that make people happy or actions that make people unhappy are now on your screen. Do all the exercises in your notebook now and take care. Now we will meet again with another chapter of this book, Marigold, for class 4. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye-bye.